Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Basit Siddiqui and I look after the wealth management department at JS Investments. Welcome to the second episode of Wealth Watch, जहां हम major economic and political developments को discuss करेंगे. So stay tuned. अगस्त के महीने के key takeaways from the financial markets were sharp downward shift in the yield curve, anticipation surrounding the Recordec project, investors' strong preference for higher cash dividends, bargain hunting for the small cap stocks, political uncertainty की वापसी, high expectation around the new IMF program remained, and lastly, volatile yet impressive recovery was seen in the global markets जहां US Fed rate का कट होना अब almost certain हो गया है. गुड न्यूज़ ये है कि जुलाई में 3 साल बाद पहली दफ़ा सिंगल डिजिट इन्फ्लेशन रिकॉर्ड हुई, विद CPI ड्रॉपिंग टू 9.6%. फूड इन्फ्लेशन भी मॉडरेट हो गई है. फाइनेंशियल ईयर 25 के लिए एवरेज इन्फ्लेशन 9% के आसपास प्रोजेक्ट हो रही है, with a brief uptick expected later in the year. By the end of the month, secondary market yields for the 12-month, 3-year and 5-year tenure declined by 111 basis point, 91 basis point and 46 basis point compared to the previous month's close. अगस्त का एक prominent feature stock returns में high degree of variability थी. कुछ stocks ने significant gains achieve किए, जबकि ज़्यादातर stocks ने considerable declines experience किए. Some of the strong performers included Airlink, NBP and Maari, with gains of 44.6%, 28.2% and 27.9%. अगस्त में local individuals और foreign investors major net buyers के तौर पे सामने आए, with net equity market inflows of $20 million and $9.2 million. A key event in the global markets was the unwinding of the Japanese yen carry trade, triggered by the Bank of Japan's unexpected 0.25% rate hike on the last day of July. इससे global equities में significant sell-off देखने को मिला. However, most equity markets recovered and closed higher, except for Japan, which fell by nearly 3%. US Fed Chair के dovish remarks major attention का center रहे, जो mainly weak job market की वजह से थे. Meanwhile, oil prices dropped by 2.4%, translating to $78.8 per barrel, driven by concerns over economic slowdowns in the US and China. Gold prices and US dollar index followed their recent trends, with gold rising by 2.2% and US dollar index falling by 2.3%. Geopolitical tensions also remained high. At JS Investments, our investment strategy remains the same. We recommend maintaining a longer duration in the bond market and shift to low beta stocks in the equity market. It's crucial to continue monitoring the effectiveness of IMF program reforms in addressing structural issues and fostering long-term growth. That's a wrap on August key updates. Hope you find these insights useful. See you in the next video. Khuda Hafiz.
For more information, you can call us at 0800 00 887 or SMS invest at 8027. All investments in mutual funds and pension funds are subject to market risks. Please read the offering documents to understand the investment policies and the risks involved.